What's up, YouTube? Back again with another tip or a trick for some of the Ridgid purchasing. This here is the Ridgid Octane 3.0 battery kit. Just picked that up on the Home Depot's app. It's $129, comes with 2 batteries and a charger. The Octane has Bluetooth capabilities. You can track the batteries as long as they're connected to the app. You can see the temperature of the batteries, the last tool they were used, how fully charged they are, some little intricacies of the performance of the battery. But what I wanted to talk about after I got a couple messages of how you find the tools with the battery for a slightly more price. So what I've done today is I downloaded the Home Depot app, my daughter's iPad here. I just searched Ridgid 18 volt, pulls that up. The key thing you want to click here is this price button. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on special values. Let that load, click done. And what that does is it pulls up everything that's basically on sale, or if it's like packaged together. Here's that kit, $129, saved $90 from the everyday price. So what I've done is made a shopping cart here to kind of make this a little bit quicker. So I'll just click here and I'll show you guys. So here's the router that I've had this for a while, but here it's on sale, or I'm showing you. This is the everyday price for the tool only. It's $149. When I clicked on that special values, I found the exact same thing in here. It's the exact same tool for $149, but you get a free quarter sheet sander with it that's also brushless. So I mean, that's a free tool. That tool, if you look for it, it's like $69 by itself. To me, that's a pretty good deal, especially when you're trying to build your platform. Another example here would be the 18 volt subcompact brushless 6.5 inch circular saw. That's the tool only. It's $149. Here it is, exact same thing with a 4.0 max output battery and a charger for $159. That battery by itself is a $149 battery. Says you're saving 24%, but if you look at it, just the battery alone is $149. So it's not just a $10 battery, it's a heck of a deal. Here's another example that I just found quickly. Was the inflator that Ridgid has with the battery is $99. Granted, that's a 2.0, but those batteries are still great to have, like if you want something lightweight for like an impact or a drill, something quick and easy. Here's the tool only at $69. So that's just 2 examples on here right offhand that I just pulled up. They're all over on here that you can find, you know, good deals on. I encourage you to check that out, utilize it if you can. Again, that's just on the Home Depot's app or on their website. The deals usually change out about every 7 to 10 days, it seems like. Sometimes there's different deals daily. With that as well, everything's offered free shipping to home or free shipping to your store. What I've found in the past when I order stuff is shipping to your store usually takes a few days longer than just shipping it to your house. And then when it ships to the store, you still got to drive to the store and then you got to go pick it up. It usually takes them, 10-15 minutes to get it out of their little cabinet or whatever. Save you some time and money just shipping it straight to your house if you're comfortable with that. If you have any questions or comments, just put them below. I'll interact with you, and stay tuned. Hit subscribe if you're liking the content so far.